Hi, great that you're back. Well, today I'd like to show you why you get an error message when you try to make ice cream with your Ninja Creami Deluxe. The problem is, sorry, it is a user error in 99% of the error messages. So what happens? Your Ninja is plugged in, you put in your bowl, you do everything, you select everything, you push start, and then bam, E1 error message. So this is because the machine was already plugged in. I had the message as well the first few times I used my Ninja, and I thought, wow, this is already broken, but it's not broken because in the user manual it clearly says that your machine has to be unplugged before you use it. So now we plug it in and now we insert everything and bring it into place, and then we switch it on. And if we select now what we would like to do, the machine will run without an error message. This is simply the machine needs to be unplugged. So after using the machine, you're supposed to unplug it again. That's the whole trick. And that's what it says in the user manual. I didn't read it. Machine isn't broken, it's just a user error. You could get the E1, E2 error message in another case too if you put too much stuff in the container so that the machine recognizes, whoa, this thing is overloaded and it quits working, or that it overheats, that you, for example, use way too cold ice cream to get processed, or that you have a kind of like an ice block in there so that it's way too dense in the container. Then you get this message too. Then you have to unplug the machine. You have to wait for about 15 minutes and you have to check what's going on in this container. If it's overload or stuff like that, then you have to correct that and then the machine will work again. Okay? So make sure before you insert the container that your machine is unplugged. Plug it in, insert the container, get it into place, switch it on, select what you want, and no error message anymore. So, hope I could help you with the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and otherwise, thanks for watching. I see you next time. Bye-bye.